So for today's video, I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is glowing skin for summer makeup tutorial. This is very easy and fast. If you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Start from the eyes. First thing that I'm gonna do is prime my eyes using NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Zoe One Spectrum palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my eyelid to set the eyeshadow base. Then after that, I'm taking this matte medium brown shade and just put it on my crease as a crease color because I don't wanna do much eyeshadow, so it's basically just two colors. To make my eyes a little bit more glowy, I use this shimmer shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm just using black matte shade and just make wing liner with this. Then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line to define my eyes and make my lashes look fuller. Next, for the lashes, I'm just curling my lashes. Then after that, I'm just putting some mascara on my upper lashes. Now moving on to the face, I'm just using glowing primer and just put it all over my face so my face will glow. For the foundation, I'm using the Body Shop Moisture Foundation. I'm in the shade number 5 and just put it all over my face using buffing brush to apply it. Next, for the concealer, I'm using it as a highlighter as well. So I put it like triangle shape under my eye and I put it on my nose, I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my chin, just blending it all out. Then after that, I just set the concealer with the powder so it doesn't crease throughout the day. For the bronzer, I'm using the Body Shop Honey Bronze. I'm in the shade number 3 and just shape my face, so I just contour and bronze my face. Then after that, I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose. For the blush, I'm using Milani Baked Blush in the shade Coralista and just put it on my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next, for the blush, I'm using the Body Shop Puff on Radiance to highlight my face. I'm just putting it on the place that I wanna highlight. The eyes, I'm using this matte shade again and just put it all over my lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eyeliner to put it on my waterline. For the lashes, I'm putting the same mascara to my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this Moxie Lip Gloss by Bare Mineral and just put it all over my lips. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.